there. It's been a minute, hasn't it? I am currently nursing a sinus infection, but since it's been a minute since I recorded a video, I figured I would take you along with me today while I assemble a weight bench. I just got done with a visit with my dad. He came down here for about 2.5 weeks. He retired in February, so he came down here just to relax. And honestly, that's all we did was sit on our butts the whole time that he was here. So I didn't vlog or anything, and I didn't have too many exciting updates other than the fact that the 5K I was scheduled to do on the 18th got canceled. So I'm currently looking for another 5K to do, but besides that, nothing really very exciting except maybe getting my 100 pounds weight loss tattoo. That was pretty exciting. When it's done fully healed, I'll show you guys that a little closer. But today, I'm assembling a weight bench. I have a weight loss update for you. It's not totally exciting, but I figured I will just chit chat and try to build this weight bench. It's been a while since I've assembled anything of this magnitude, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not too hard to do. So if you're new here, my name is Sarah. I have been sharing my weight loss journey on YouTube. Dog's barking. Somebody's walking by. I've been sharing my weight loss journey here on YouTube since April of 2020. That's a long time already. And I just recently, in August of 2022, had vertical sleeve gastrectomy, so I continue to share my weight loss journey. And more recently, I just hit my 100 pounds lost milestone. That was just a couple weeks ago. In fact, it was my last video, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. If you want to follow along with my journey moving forward, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to do it. You can do it at the end of the video, but I mean, why not just get it out of the way? So I've got this big old box here. This is my multi-function home gym weight bench that I'm about to assemble. And I have no idea how it's going to go because I haven't assembled anything large in several years, but we're going to put this bad boy together and see how it goes. A little frustrating right off the bat. The bag with the pieces in it was all ripped up, so I really hope that all the screws and everything I need are still in here or not just lost in shipping somewhere. This week's weigh-in wasn't very exciting, but actually I was impressed because I literally did nothing for 2 weeks while my dad was here. So my last weigh-in was 174 pounds, and this week I weighed in at 173.8 pounds. So just a little tiny bit down, but again, I haven't done anything or moved very much in the last 2 weeks. So I'm happy that, I at least pretty much maintained my weight. So I've been thinking about my next chapter a lot, and I think, I know I'm going to go for my surgeon's goal. In fact, I'm not even going to call it my surgeon's goal anymore. It's my new goal. So I'm going to go for 140 pounds. And this is something I want to try to accomplish by my 1-year surgery anniversary, which will be on August 19th. So over the next 5 months, I'll be trying to lose another 34-ish pounds. It's so funny because when I first heard that number from my surgeon, Dr. Appel, I was totally floored. But now that I'm getting closer to it, it seems realistic. I feel like it's, kind of crazy to think like at that point I'll have lost over 130 pounds, but I'm really ready for this next step in my journey, next chapter. I'm really excited, and I'm excited to have you guys along with me to do this. So let's do the thing, and I'm going to try and get down to 140 pounds.
Well, if it's not completely obvious now, I am going to start getting serious, super serious about body composition. I've known for a long time that I've got to start lifting. So getting the bench is just another way for me to step my game up a little bit and take myself seriously when it comes to that. And I'm excited about all these new goals and all of the new work that I've got to do. It's going to be a change of pace, but ultimately I'm excited for it. This next chapter of my journey, I think, is just going to be really super awesome. So I hope you'll stick around for it. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And until next time, I will see you real soon. Bye.